So the upper planking is done now, and what I'm doing is that I am cutting the stern to the measures given. This is the 6 centimeters from this frame till the end of this, 1.5 centimeters back. You see this line here, and from there you just put a straight line, or not straight, a crooked line down to this frame right here. 2.5 centimeters up here. This one needs to go 5 millimeters from this frame and out, and from the corner of that you just make a line from that corner to that corner, and then you cut it up to this frame, and then you have the stern done. The use I'm using for cutting the stem is the Proxon microdermat with a cutting blade on. It's very flexible, very soft, so it takes some time to actually cut through. But it's easier to do it with this than doing it with a knife, because there's so many planks to cut through. Just hold it steady and just follow the line. It is gonna jump out a little bit, but it's not gonna cause very much damage. If something breaks, it's probably this one and not the ship, and I would rather have this one to break than the ship. So now everything is cut for the stern. Now you just need to clean it up a little bit. Once that is done, I'm going to continue with making the holes. I already did the mark the first hole here for the second deck. Well, it's not the second deck, it's probably the third deck. And then just start cutting holes. We need 15 holes here, 16 holes on the next one, and then 15 holes on the top one. Again, there is no indication on how to proceed with the forecastle here. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna plank it like this all the way down, and then take some longer strips, and plank it upwards like that. So that's the idea. Once that is done, once the holes are cut, we're gonna sand the living daylights out of her because she needs it. It's not that I mean, I've seen the pictures and it looks like the planks are all over the place, but they're really not. But it does need a good sanding. Sand it, and then we need to solder the lights in on the decks, and then we need to line the cannon holes with some Sapelli stuff like this, and obviously need to sand that as well. And then we're going to continue with the planking downwards to get the hole. Cheers, thank you.